Eddie Hall vs. Hafþór Björnsson, also known as the heaviest boxing match in history, is an upcoming boxing match between strongmen Eddie Hall and Hafþór Björnsson. Both have won the strongman competition World's Strongest Man owned by IMG Worldwide. It is the first boxing match for Eddie Hall, fourth for Bjornsson, and prior to Hall's injury was set to take place on September 18, 2021 at VyStar Veterans Memorial Arena in Jacksonville, Florida. The replacement match in September 2021 was between Bjornsson and Devon Larratt in Dubai, while the match against Hall may be rescheduled to March 19, 2022. The fight was announced in November 2020. Both Hall and Bjornsson will go into the fight with numerous accolades in strength athletics, yet little boxing experience. Hall holds the title of 2017 World's Strongest Man and won UK's Strongest Man every year from 2011 to 2016 as well as Britain's Strongest Man every year from 2014 to 2018. Bjornsson won 2018 World's Strongest Man and has placed in the top 3 positions of the competition every year since 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.